So this is all the snow we've gotten so far. It's January 4th, and we've just gotten about 15 to 16 inches of snow, and they're calling for another 3 to 8 later today. As you can see, there's snow piled everywhere. It's a good foot on the railing here too. It's amazing. People have been trying to get out of their parking spots, but they get stuck, and so they just give up and go back in. We're not going anywhere. Work was actually canceled today for me, so I don't have to worry about going anywhere. Spending the day inside, nice and warm. Some of these trees, you can see how heavy the snow is. A couple branches have actually fallen off already and broken under the weight of the snow. It's amazing.